In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Pandadoc template specifically designed for beginners. If you've been exploring ways to streamline your document creation process, you're in the right place. We'll walk through each step to ensure you're comfortable and confident by the end of this session. First, let's head over to the Pandadoc website. Pandadoc is an incredibly useful tool that allows you to create, approve, track, and e-sign documents up to 40% faster, making your work life that much easier. So, open your preferred browser and go to the Pandadoc website. You'll see a range of options that will help you get started. Once you're there, you'll want to click on the Login button. If you don't already have an account, you might need to sign up for one, but most of you will probably be logging in. Enter your credentials to access all the features available to you. If you forget your password, don't worry. There's an option to recover it right there on the login page too. After logging in, you'll be directed to the Pandadoc homepage, where you get an overview of documents and templates. This is your dashboard, and it's your launching pad to creating templates. Click on the Home option to confirm you're in the right place. From your home page, navigate to the Documents section by clicking on a document of your choice. This is where you have access to all your files, and it's the precursor to turning a document into a reusable template. Selecting a document ensures you have the content foundations ready for templating. Next, look for the option that says Template. Clicking on this will take you to an area dedicated to templates, where you can see existing ones or opt to start fresh. This is a useful space to review what's available or outdated and determine what you might need moving forward. Now, you're ready to create your new template. Simply click on Create Template. This is your cue to take the existing document structure or create a new one from scratch. The tools here will allow you to customize, categorize, and lay out the document precisely for repeated use. Throughout the process, keep in mind the end user and what continuous details need standardizing. You might want placeholders for items like dates, client names, or specific clauses, ensuring once completed, this template can be generated as a ready-to-use document for any situation. And that's it. In just a few steps, you've created a Pandadoc template. Spend some time exploring additional features like custom branding or adding recipients to raw templates for more efficiency. By following these steps, you're setting up a seamless process to enhance your document management in no time. Stay tuned for more insights and deeper dives into streamlining your tasks with cutting-edge tools just like Pandadoc.